Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's setup is so different. I haven't done anything like this. Sorry, my voice like this. I'm still ill and I've just been ill the whole 9 months of this pregnancy. I have 3 weeks left, inshallah. Can't wait till it's over. It's been a long journey. Excuse the noise in the background. My windows are all open. I can't close them because then it will get really hot, and also I can't close them because I can't reach. Today's video is going to be a Shein haul. I get a lot of questions about Shein. I believe they used to be called Shein Side before, and I have been shopping there since probably 2012. And I absolutely love the website. They've sent me stuff in the past and I've bought stuff from there in the past. I really do like it. It's really affordable and they have kindly sponsored this video. The first item is this dress that I am wearing and I absolutely love this dress. It's a green and white polka dot dress. Actually, it's not really white, it's more of a cream than a white. I paired it with this turtleneck because it is supposed to be quite like an off-shoulder kind of dress. I love it. By the way, none of these pieces are maternity. It's just that I now know what to get to wear as maternity. Like if the belt's quite high up and it's quite loose, I can easily wear it. It's just that I know what sizes to get. I kind of know what cut to get and stuff like that I know will fit me. And this is great for other people that are pregnant, but like, yeah, it's just a normal look because these pieces are just normal pieces, but I got them in like bigger sizes. The only thing about Shein is the sizes do run up quite small, so I'm like, this dress is a large, and I think if I wasn't pregnant I would probably get it in a medium, but I'm usually a small, so that's another thing to bear in mind. And the quality of the pieces are pretty good, especially for how much they're worth. So I'm just gonna start and get through all the stuff. I want to start off with one of my favorite dresses. So I got this one. Now the quality of this dress, like the print and everything, is so gorgeous. It's really nice. It is a little bit like, I can't describe this fabric, but it's a little bit like that umbrella fabric, if that makes sense. Like that kind of plasticky feel to it. I have worn this, but because it's quite loose, like the arms are loose and stuff, you don't get hot in there. I think if this was a fitted dress, it would get really hot in it, but because it's quite loose, well, actually the arms are really loose. It's really nice. I really like this. It's 3/4 length on me, and if I didn't have my bump, this would be full length. I'm 5'2". I got this in a medium and it fits me really well right now, so I really like this. And all I do with the low neck is I literally just pin it from the top. And I got this in a medium because I really want to wear this after I give birth as well. It's all about print dresses this summer. Then next I got this dress, which when I wore this on Snapchat, everybody went crazy. Like I got at least 300 messages asking where this dress is from, or some people thought it was a top. And this is an amazing piece, and I can't believe how modest it is as well, which is so great. So it's this mustard dress. It comes in a few colors. It's got this embroidery. This is a very good quality piece of dress, really good quality. I did get a large just because I really wanted to wear this now while I was pregnant, and I'm glad I got a large, but I think if I got a medium it still would have definitely fit me. So this does come up quite big. I guess this is a size like 12, 14, I would say. And it's got embroidery, really good quality. The fabric is cotton, and the neckline's a little bit low, so what I've done is I've actually pinned it at the front, so I don't have to wear anything underneath because I just so can't bother to wear stuff underneath. Then it's got these tassels, and just like the dress I'm wearing on, it's layered, so it's kind of like a gypsy style dress. So it's layered like this, and the back is just plain. But this is a great summer modest piece, to be honest. Right, next, I actually haven't tried on this dress, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. But then you never know because it comes out quite wide. I got this in a medium as well. Actually, I don't think the sizes do come up quite big. I think they're okay because This is a medium. Yeah, this will definitely fit me. Now, only thing is it's see-through, so I'm gonna have to wear leggings and a top underneath. It comes with a matching belt. I want to grab it, but here's the matching belt, which you just tie around your waist. And it's got these really cute frills. You know, it's all about frills and polka dots. And I did get this in a medium just because, once again, I really wanted to wear this after I've given birth, because I just get so hot right now that I'm just like, I can't layer right now. So I did get a size, like a normal size in this, just so that I can layer afterwards. And then it is really long. This one's really long. I may have to either cut it or wear it with heels. I got this. I have been looking everywhere for a satin shirt like this, but everywhere else is really immodest and it's really low cut. This is, it may look low cut, but when you put it on, it's actually not. But I would have to wear a top underneath anyway. These two longer panels, which you just tie up here into a pretty bow, and it's just such a pretty shirt. I do need, to be honest, I struggled ironing this with my steam. I'm gonna have to iron it with like a normal iron, just because it's so creased. The fabric's nice. It's not the most expensive fabric, but it still feels nice and it's still quite thick and it's not see-through. That's what I like. Next, I got this piece, which also comes with a belt, and this is basically like, it's kind of like a kimono, but then at the same time it's like an abaya. It's really crazy to have seen this on there. Once again, this is quite long on me as well, probably needs a cut, but if I just wear like a simple white or black dress underneath and just throw this over, I just thought it'd be really nice in the heat. It's really nice and light, and I also love the fact that it's like this satin fabric. I really love the satin fabric. It makes the piece look a lot more expensive than it actually is. This dress, oh, what size did I get that in? I think that comes in, I got that in a small, because I knew it was going to be big. And then I got this shirt dress, which doesn't have a label, but I believe this was a large. I got this in a large. It's quite short sleeved, and it's a shirt dress, but it doesn't go over my bump anymore, so I'll have to wear like trousers with it and button it like halfway. It comes with, it also came with a leather belt, but I don't think I'm going to use the belt, to be honest, and it's just this really pretty floral print. This is probably my favorite dress that I saw on the website, and I absolutely love this. It's just, it's a little too hot to wear this, and it's this black and white stripy dress. I love stripes and I love black and white stripes. So it's got quite short sleeves and it does have quite a low neck as well. So I'll have to wear like a turtleneck, something like this underneath. And then it has like an open skirt bit, if that makes sense. It's a dress though. And then so underneath I'll have to wear leggings. And this is full length on me. The back is actually a little bit long, and then it just cinches in at the waist. Absolutely love this. I just think it's such a gorgeous dress. I picked up this dress because I thought it would be really cool, and I actually didn't expect this dress to be so thick. I love this. I got it in a large, but it does come up a little bit small. It's a bit tight on me right now, and it's got these really pretty frilly sleeves. I'm actually going to keep this till it gets a little bit cold, maybe like beginning of September I'll wear this. And this embroidery print at the front is so pretty. It's so pretty. I love the colors. It's such good quality. Like, the quality of this dress is amazing. And then at the bottom it's got some more frills like that. I love it. It's like the perfect length on me. Literally, it is just perfect. It just touches the floor. With my bump, obviously everything kind of is a little bit shorter on me. And then the last clothing piece, well actually there's another piece, but the last like dress slash jacket kind of thing is this jacket. It's quite thin, but it's a bit thick to wear right now, and it just looks like this. I love the print. The quality is so nice. Like, I love the quality of this. I would probably style this with like a white shirt and white trousers, or maybe like a white maxi dress, something like that. but it's absolutely gorgeous. And when it gets a little bit chilly, like maybe in the evenings, this is nice to just throw on top of your outfit. Fabric, I can't describe it, but it's a textured fabric, so it's quite nice. It's not just the print, it's also got a texture to it, and this is embroidered on top, and then the fabric kind of feels like it's embroidered as well. And this is the paneling inside, really nice and clean. So the last piece of clothing are these leggings. I love these leggings so much. I don't yet fit into them. I'm gonna have to wait till I give birth. I got them in a large. Don't know if that was a good idea because I haven't tried them on. They might be a little bit big, but go with your size if you get these. I just thought they would be super massive and I could wear them now, but they're not. If I take the elastic out, they would fit, but I don't want to ruin them because I really like them, and I'm gonna style them with, like, I've got some really cool jackets and hoodies and jumpers and stuff like that when it gets a little bit cooler. And then the last thing that I got are these shoes, and oh my god, Shein make amazing shoes. I love their shoes. They're really well priced. I think these were like 20 something pounds, 27 pounds I think, maybe 37, but I feel like they were 27. I'm not sure. Let's just say they're 27, but they are so gorgeous. And like the grip at the back, I've bought shoes from Shein so many times and their flats have never failed me. These are amazing. They've got amazing grip at the back, really good grip. At the front, as you can see, they've got this really gorgeous pearl detail, and it's just so nice. It's really sturdy. As you can see, really sturdy and pretty pearl flats, and these are just gonna look so good with so many of my outfits. I just love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see me do more like these, do let me know. I love to know. And also I really enjoy doing it like this, and I enjoyed the different style of filming. Also, all the links to the items that I have shown you will be down below, so check it out, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.